Come on, video. Tornado warning! I just got home. Come on. Oh, the HH is freaking out. You just unplugged that.
In Missouri, Barry and McDonald. In Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Craig, Delaware, Mays, Ottawa, Sequoia, and Wagoner. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alerted.
Wait, KNWA.
And listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Come on. KNWA's probably gonna relay this. Come on.
Climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m. November 14th, 2020.
Come on, hurry.
Temperature was 68 degrees.
Travel 34.
Oh, there it is.
51.
Holy crap.
Interstate 49 between mile markers 21 and 31. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Missouri, the National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Newton County in southwestern Missouri, McDonald County in southwestern Missouri, western Barry County in southwestern Missouri until 7:30 p.m.
What's up, SGF? What are you doing? You just issued a damn warning that extends. Oh, there you go. You could have extended a whole damn warning that is in effect for like all of the state of like Missouri.
Expected hazards include
What's up, SGF? What are you doing?
and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail
I'm
damage
just trying to
to
wait
vehicles
for
is
Night Watch to
expected.
start on the CW.
Expect wind
And you
damage
just
to
over here like,
roofs,
hey,
sidings,
it's just
and
something.
trees. Locations impacted include Neosho, Big Sugar Creek State Park, Emonet, Casto, Anderson, Noel, Goodman, Purdy, Southwest City, Seligman, Pineville, Exeter, Wheaton, Butterfield, Washburn, Lanigan, Fairview, Newtonia, Pioneer, Stella. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 1 and 16. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact the nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Springfield. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
Heard this?
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
What cats want?
Another SPR?
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Christian County in southwestern Missouri, northern Stone County in southwestern Missouri, northeastern Barry County in southwestern Missouri, southeastern Lawrence County in southwestern Missouri, Greene County in southwestern Missouri, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Republic to near Purdy, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Pizza, Ozark, Republic, Aurora, Battlefield, Willard, Stratford, Marionville, Clever, Sparta, Crane, Fair Grove, Billings, Highlandville, Fremont Hills, Verona, Galena, Brookline, Hurley. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 63 and 89. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Springfield.
There it is.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Arkansas, northern Carroll County, northwestern County, and northwestern 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located west of Springs, bringing east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations near the path include Berryville, Eureka Springs, Beaver, Grandview, Blue Ridge, Beaver Lake, Oak Hill. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa.
This is the Holy Grail.
Tornado warning, tornado warning, tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northern Carroll County in northwestern Arkansas until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm.
Okay, KNW is going over.
A tornado was located over Eureka Springs, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation.
Like he knows there's a tornado
Impacts are
warning.
expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those
caught
caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Berryville, Eureka Springs, Beaver, Urbanette, Grandview, Pleasant Ridge, Oak Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a thunderstorm warning for Taney County in southwestern Missouri, southern Stone County in southwestern Missouri, southeastern Berry County in southwestern Missouri until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grandview or near Berryville, moving north.
There's a tour that I literally just recorded. Oh, that glitched out fast.
Miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I'm like, oh, that's sad
Expect
now.
wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Branson, Lake Taneycomo, Table Rock Lake, Bull Shoals Lake, Table Rock State Park, Hollister, Silver Dollar City, Timberlake City.
Oh, please don't say there's like duck boats out. Dude, like, the last time there was a freaking incident like that, it was like last year. And holy crap, how, like, almost everybody died on that boat. Which was sad. Because I just turned in the news like one day, duck boat actually. Dang.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Springfield. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
He's been trying to get an alert this whole time. He tried WG694. That audio was doo garbage. And he really wants to get a tour. Oh crap! No!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
my stream! No!
Western Arkansas, Northern Carroll County,
it died!
Until 9:30 Central Standard Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southeast of Garfield, moving at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include
frick, my 120 freaking died!
Quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated flash. The following impacts are expected is hail damage to vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Siding and trees.
Locations are near the path Gateway, Beaver Springs, Gateway, Beaver, Urbanette, Grandview, Pleasant Ridge.
Oh damn, bro! I'm already sweating. Yo, this is round 2 already. To your room on the lowest floor of the building. For severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will report to the National Weather Service Office in Tulsa. ZZ. Gang, come on! Oh my gosh, that's loud.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Benton County and northwestern Arkansas.
That scared me freaking again. All I heard was, and then, whoa, this is big.
Western Carroll County in northwestern Arkansas. Washington County in
Yep, there it is on 4029.
It's at 10:30 p.m. Central Standard
That's
Time.
power. No, I just turned off by accident.
p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe
Come on, power on.
thunderstorms were located along a
Bruh.
line extending from 4 miles southeast of
Come on.
Gateway to 5 miles southwest of Marietta,
Get there.
moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts.
There it is on KNWA.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following
But that's big.
expects damage to roofs near the setting, entries, locations near the path include Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Betsville,
Wait, no. Are you gonna do it?
Shedonville, Natural
Is it doubleheader?
Farmington, Prairie Grove, Elkins, Charlottetown, Bethel Heights, West Fork, Lincoln, Cave Springs, Westville, Greenland. This includes
Come on,
interstate
I'll drink my tea.
interior room 40 and 87 building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Tulsa. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning.
Oh no!
Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Oh. Doubleheader, here we go. Because they should just went for Franklin. Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a
Oh, I
severe
forgot. I put it on
thunderstorm
tone.
warning for northeastern Franklin County and west central Arkansas until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Cass, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar indicator.
Oh my god, no.
The following impacts
Oh, okay, good.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Ozark,
Just Acorn just comes in here. Nope, SPR's SLO.
Turner's Bend, Wheatlula, Taft, Paradise. This includes Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 33 and 34. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
But to me personally, we're talking about the ladder turns of Dolores Del Rio's Caesar Romero.
At 22, dusting to 32.
SPR for Dare, Haskell, and Muskogee.
29.65 inches and rising. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, south central Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Bus to 2 miles east of Briartown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Salisal, Stigler, Muldrow, Vian, Coda, McCurtain, Whitefield, Gans, Marble City, Tom H.H., Brushy, Briartown, McCurtain, Brushy Lake State Park, Short, Conema, McKee. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 295 and 317. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. Wind damage with these storms may occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Tulsa!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa.
What are you doing?
Severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in northwestern Arkansas, Franklin County in west central Arkansas, Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, Carroll County in
Bruh.
northwestern Arkansas.
I just came out of the bathroom.
County in west central
Tulsa!
southeastern Washington
Come on.
in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, eastern Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma.
All I heard, the HH, the 100, and then the 400 go off. And I'm like, holy crap, something's going down. All of a sudden, I just got Twitter notification. TSA issues, severe thunderstorm warning. And I'm like, crap. I get to my door, turn on my camera, or my phone, whatever you'd like to call it. And then video to record.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Van Buren, Salisal, Pardo, Berryville, Ozark.
This one's big though.
Cedarville,
Let me check.
Cambridge, Natural Dam, Greenwood,
Oh, there's, bro, SGF is 6.
Muldrow, Roland,
Wait, no, where's the TSA one?
Elkins. This includes
Whoa, that's big! That's bigger than the last one, look!
between mile marker 0 and 38. Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 306 and 328. Interstate 540 between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 49 between mile markers 22 and 53. These storms are producing wind damage. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. Wind damage.
will be done.
It timed out.
38 to 43, strong thunderstorms will be likely as we see here.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa